Hello, welcome to our channel. I'm Shyam, founder of Procom Audio Video Solutions. We have received a lot of requests asking us to make a video on the type of microphones. Now, in the current scenario, many people have moved to online coaching, teaching, online yoga, and the list goes on and on. So today we are going to showcase a few microphones and let you know which mic is best for you. Well, actually, there is no such thing as a good mic or a bad mic. Just as they say, horses or courses. We will suggest you microphones which will differ from application to application. Let's take the first case. If you're using your laptop or iPad for online sessions and you're the only speaker, just don't bother to hunt for a microphone. The inbuilt microphones are just about good to handle your speech, as you're going to speak about 12 to 18 inches away from the device. But if you're using your laptop with an external HD camera and you have multiple people who are going to speak, you'll need a good noise cancellation speakerphone. I suggest this speakerphone by Poly, which is the erstwhile Plantronics. This speakerphone has noise cancellation technology that will ensure that you are heard clearly and you can also hear clearly. It cancels most of the continuous noise from the AC and background noise to a great extent. Okay, so this is something that I keep recommending to our clients. Now let's talk about a small meeting room or a conference room solution where you have a TV, a laptop, and 6 to 8 participants in the room. Now, you cannot use the same microphone. Your microphone pickup needs to be much wider so that the people on the far end are able to hear you very clearly. So, here comes the solution. This is the boundary mic, which I would normally recommend to our customers. And this is an omnidirectional microphone, which means it picks up audio from all the sides. And this one has great audio pickup. It can typically pick up audio up to 10 feet. So this does not require a speaker, as the far end audio will be heard from your TV speakers. So which is why I was talking to you about this scenario where you have a TV, a laptop, and you have about 6 to 8 participants in the room. But it really does have a monitor out. You can see this jack here. It's a monitor out for you to feed to a separate powered speaker or an amplifier if the need be. Coming to the next segment, the vlogger or the YouTuber and people who make a lot of videos is using the DSLR. Now, if you are one of them, please comment below and I will answer all your questions related to this video. Okay, what are your options? You could use a wired lavalier mic like this. I personally recommend the Boya BY1. Comes with a really long cable and you could straight away get connected to your DSLR or even your mobile phone and get crystal clear audio. But if you're a little pro YouTuber and you need mobility and do not want wires coming in the way, I would recommend using wireless microphones. Now, there are a whole lot of microphones available in the market, but my personal favorite is the one from Rode, the Go Wireless. This is a tiny set of wireless microphones which has a transmitter and a receiver. The transmitter has got a built-in microphone. It can be tucked like a lavalier, like the one I'm using, but this is a small unit. It has got a built-in battery, so it works directly on the, on the shirt. And the receiver sits on the DSLR hot shoe. And the best thing about this microphone is that it can wirelessly transmit to more than about 40 feet line of sight without any distortion or loss of signal. And it's got a great battery life. It can work for almost like 8 hours a day with a full charge. This it does because the transmitter and the receiver work on a Wi-Fi technology and not an RF technology. I'll be making a separate video on each of these microphones to show you how the performance of these mics is individually. That's all we have time for today for this video. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it useful. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you keep getting updates on Pro Audio Video. See you soon with the next video. Thank you so much for watching.